Okay guys, so this is another example where you will understand more clearly how business happen when we implement the wave concept in the warehouse. So suppose we have the four customer. Okay, customer 01, customer 02, customer, just a moment. Okay, so we have the four customers. We have the four customers here. Customer 01, 02, 03, 04, 05. Total 5 customers. Okay. Okay, 5 customers. So customer 1, we have the outbound delivery 2230169821 for an example. And for customer 2, we have another outbound delivery. For customer 3, we have another outbound delivery. Customer 4, we have another outbound delivery. Customer 5, we have another outbound delivery. After explaining, I will do little zoom, then you will see more clearly. I hope you can see now. Clear picture. Okay, so see. Customer 1, outbound delivery. Customer 2, outbound delivery. Customer 3, outbound delivery. Customer 4, outbound delivery. Customer 5, outbound delivery. 5 customers. Let's assume we have the 100 customers here. Okay, these are the 100 customers we have here for an example. Okay, sorry, I need to fix the board. Okay, 100 customers we have here. So how we pick the quantity? Logically, see. So outbound delivery we have how many right now? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 outbound delivery means we have the 5 customers. Okay, so we will see. The outbound delivery, we have the material 1 power bank, material 2 mobile phone, material 3 laptop i7. This mobile phone, we have the specific brand, specific quantity, or like a specific type or a specific brand. Okay, or we have the multiple. So here we have the mobile phones. We send to the customer the product exact what they require. If they require mobile with the 250 GB memory, internal memory, and a white color, something specific brand, we pick from the bin that is specific. So first we will see if we have the 5 customer, all the 5 customers, the common material what they require, same material we pick same. Okay, same quantity. Or suppose we will see we have the 200 customer, all the customer they require the mobile phones, white color, 256 GB, some specific brand. We pick in a single shot all the same model type mobile from the final storage type or hierarchy storage type or available for sale location we call in another language. So these are the customer material. First we have power bank material 2 we have. Here you will understand how we process this in the system. Material 2 or in the warehouse, in the real-time warehouse businesses. Material 2 we have mobile phone. Material 3 we have the laptop i7. Material 4 we have the action cameras. Brand could be any, or depends what our warehouse deal the business with the brand. So how we are going to pick the material? So what we will see, so first we will see customer 1 they require power bank 2000 quantity. Customer 2 they require 100 quantity of the power bank. Customer 3 they require 300 quantity of the power bank. Customer 4 they require 700 quantity of the power bank. Customer 5 they require 500 quantity of the same power bank. Suppose this power bank is the 20,000 mAh, some kind of specific brand. Like we have the, so in this example we count same power bank required by all the customer. Good. Okay, then we will count how much quantity total we should pick. So 3600 quantity in a single shot. 3600 quantity we will go to the hierarchy storage type, we will pick from there. Okay, next point. Then we see material 2 we have the mobile phone. Suppose this is the 256 internal GB, white color, or some brand, specific brand mobile. So we see, then we will calculate. Customer 1 they require 100 quantity, customer they require 500 quantity, customer 3 require 300 quantity, customer 4 require 200 quantity, customer 5 require 50 quantity. We will calculate 1115 quantity total. So we will go single shot to the final storage bin, we pick that. Like customer, we will see material 3 is i7, customer 1 required 10 quantity, which is the material 3 laptop i7, customer 2 required 10 quantity, which is the same product laptop i7, some specific type brand. Customer 3 also required the 20 quantity, but material is same. Customer 4 they require 30 quantity, but material is same. Customer 5 they require 5 quantity, but material is same. Okay, then we will pick. In the third step, we calculate all this quantity is a 75 total quantity. We will go hierarchy storage type, we will pick in a single shot, no problem. Good. Then we will see material 4 action camera, customer first, outbound delivery first, they require 100 quantity. Action camera, customer 2, outbound delivery 2, they require 10 quantity. Action camera, customer 3, 50 quantity, they require same action camera. So we have like multiple types of action cameras. Type like depends upon the size, but we are going to pick which is common for all the customers. So action camera 130, action camera they require customer 4 they require 130 quantity action camera, customer 5 they require 20 quantity action camera. So total 3 ton quantity we will pick from the hierarchy storage type in a single shot. Okay, so then what we will do, so suppose this is your, here I designed the bin storage bins. So hierarchy storage types 01. So material 1 power bank 15,000 quantity available, because we have the 15,000 quantity available in this bin, then we can pick 3,600 quantity because 15,000 is there, so we can pick 3,600. In the material 2, which is the mobile phone, in the final storage bin, this is the bin area, we have the 10,000 quantity available in our inside the storage bin, which is a temporary permanent storage bin. We have 10,000 quantity. Then what we will do, we will see we have available quantity 10,000, and mobile phones we require 1150, 1150 quantity, no problem, we will pick this from here because it's available, so we can pick. Like 75 310 quantity for both we can pick. It has 7,000 quantity i7, so we can pick easily 75 quantities. Action cameras we require 310 quantity, but it has in the bin action camera 10,000 quantity, so we can pick, right? We can pick. Then next we create one custom wave. Okay, template wave. In the wave I put all this material quantity. It's mixed, so it's mixed means this material 36 for the customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, customer 4, like customer 200 customers are there, no problem. Then we bring this process to the work center. Okay, in the work center all the customer mix products power bank here right now we have, here we segregate. See those are the warehouse workers. Here we segregate mobile phone 1150, put in a different box. Okay, then laptop 75 quantity also we put in the different box. Action camera 310 quantity in a different box. So this box easily we can create HU, depends upon the requirement or depends upon the quantity of the customer, and we move this handling unit to the staging area, which is nothing but a 9020 area. Okay, this is a temporary storage type. Then we load to the trucks, vehicles, or depends, or outbound. So the main thing here is this is the work center. Okay, so this is the process. Okay, how we perform. So again, for the customer, like material 3 common material we have the for laptop i7, we pick like this in the row wise, 100 10 50 130 20 130 we pick from the bin. We pick from the bin, we put into the wave, bring it to the work center, segregations, then loading, then we send this material to the customer, and the material will reach to the customer. I will show you the board. I will do little more zoom, then you can understand more, guys. You can see the picture here. I hope it's clear to everyone. This is the way to perform the business in the warehouse. So here we can see electronic store customer, we have the, so here we perform like this movement. This is the work center. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, see you next.